FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier is a game changer for anyone who fries food at home. This plant-based powder makes cleaning up used cooking oil incredibly easy. No more messy pouring or greasy spills because FryAway turns your oil into a solid. It's like magic, and it's so simple to use. Just sprinkle it into your hot oil, stir a little, and let it cool. Once it's solid, you can easily scoop it out and toss it in the trash. This product is made in the USA and is even kosher. So many different groups of people can use it. This easy-to-use FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier can handle up to 24 cups of oil. That's a lot of frying. Think of all the delicious fried chicken or crispy fries you can make. And cleanup will be a breeze. You won't have to worry about finding old jars or containers for depositing used oil. Plus, pouring greasy oil down the drain can cause big problems for your plumbing. FryAway offers a much better solution. And it's better for the environment since it's plant-based. The manufacturer has created a product that truly simplifies a messy part of cooking. Using FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier feels like sweeping away the grunge after a fun project. It takes the yucky, sticky oil and transforms it into something manageable. While some might think of traditional disposal methods, FryAway offers unmatched convenience. It saves time and effort, letting you enjoy your fried food without dreading the cleanup. Forget complicated steps or worrying about where to safely dispose of large amounts of oil. FryAway is a simple, effective solution for mess-free cleanup, and it's a product worth considering for your kitchen, especially if you enjoy frying, whether outdoors or inside. Pros: easy to use, mess-free cleanup, solidifies oil, plant-based, as seen on Shark Tank, made in the USA, kosher, for 24 cups of oil, simple disposal, good for frying oil. Cons: some say it didn't work, packaging hard to open, messy if not fully solid, another disposal step, not always cost effective, might not ease cleanup much, takes time to solidify, could be seen as a gimmick, some prefer other methods. Features: solidifies oil, as seen on Shark Tank, solidifies 24 cups, plant-based powder, mess-free cleanup, easy to use, made in the USA, kosher, FryAway, for disposal. FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier is a powder made from plants that helps you safely get rid of used cooking oil. You just sprinkle this powder into the hot oil, and as it cools down, the oil turns into a solid. This makes it easy to scoop out the oil and throw it in the trash without making a mess. It can solidify up to 24 cups of oil. And because it's plant-based and kosher, it's a good choice for easy cleanup after frying. FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier, featured on Shark Tank, is a plant-based powder designed for easy and mess-free cleanup and disposal of up to 24 cups of used cooking oil. You just stir it into the hot oil, and as it cools, the oil turns solid, making it simple to scoop out and throw away. Made in the USA and kosher certified, it aims to simplify post-frying cleanup. However, some users report it might not always be cost-effective, could be messy if the oil doesn't fully solidify, and adds another step to the disposal process, with a few finding it ineffective or preferring other methods.